In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync your Slack status with Google Calendar. This is really handy if you want Slack to automatically show when you're in a meeting, out of office, or focused, without having to remember to change your status yourself. We'll be using the official Google Calendar app for Slack to set this up. Start by opening Slack on your computer. Make sure you're in the correct workspace where you want the integration to live. You can begin from any channel. In this example, we're starting from a channel called New Channel, but you can follow along from anywhere in Slack. At the top of the left sidebar, look for the Search or Quick Launcher area. Click into that highlighted search field. This is where you can quickly find apps and tools inside Slack, not just messages. Now start typing Google Calendar into that field. As you type, Slack will show suggestions below. Look for the Google Calendar app in the results. It has the Google Calendar icon, so it should be easy to spot. When you see it, click on the Google Calendar result to open the app page inside Slack. On the Google Calendar app page, you'll see a button that says Add to Slack. Go ahead and click Add to Slack. This begins the process of installing the app to your workspace. If you don't see this button, you may need an admin to allow apps in your workspace, so keep that in mind. Slack will now show you a permissions screen. This explains what the Google Calendar app will be able to do, such as read your calendar events and update your status. Review this information, and when you're comfortable, click Allow to continue. Next, a Google sign-in window will appear. Choose the Google account that's connected to the calendar you want to sync. Click on your account to select it. If prompted, sign in with your normal Google credentials. Google will then show you another consent screen listing the access Slack is requesting, like reading your calendar and events. Scroll through if needed, and when you're ready, click Continue to grant access. Once that's done, you may see a prompt asking if you want to open the link in your browser. Click on Open this link in your browser to complete the setup. Your browser will confirm the connection, and then you can return to Slack. From here, the Google Calendar app in Slack will start syncing, and your Slack status will automatically update based on your calendar events.